Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm so grateful to have you here, and today we are making Japanese mushroom and onion soup, Benihana style. Everything that you will be needing for this recipe: green onions, mushrooms, beef bouillon, and French crispy onions, and just a regular soup pot. Okay, let's start by adding a couple cups of water to a pan. Now you're going to want to turn your stove on low. Now we're going to open up our beef bouillon and we're going to put 2 cubes in. Now we're just going to let the water come to a slight boil. Now let's wash our veggies. Let's give our beef broth a stir while our bouillon cubes are dissolving. Now let's prep all of our vegetables. Cut off the ends first. Now do very thin slices. Now you can do very thin slices of your mushroom. I'm gonna do a little bit thicker ones because I love mushroom. I just want a lot of mushroom. Okay, let's try it and see if we have to add more water. It's perfect. Now let's assemble. Add green onions as much or little as you would like. Add your mushrooms. Add your crispy onions. Add your beef broth. Our Japanese soup is now ready. I'm so excited to try this, and the great thing about it is I can add as many veggies as I want. I can have as many mushrooms or onions as I want to. I feel like whenever you go to the restaurant you get like 3 or 4 slices of thin mushroom, and I always want more, and so I get to have it at home now that I know how to make it at home, and you do too. Let's give it a try. You can even add chicken to it. You can add meatballs to it, whatever you want. This is delicious. This is just as good. It's not any better or worse. It's just as good as the Benihana's one. But the best part about it is you can add whatever you want, or as much or little as you want.